dining set for 4. Ayun o, naka-fold siyang gano'n. And then, to save space, charan! Oh my, ang galing!
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, 𝙁𝙤𝙣𝙖𝙑𝙀. Sa wakas, natapos na din namin ni Han ang aming kitchen transformation. And for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo how we did it together. I hope you like it. Enjoy! So, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming kitchen. So, ito ang aming kitchen. So, napakaliit lang talaga and isang dipa ko lang. And as you can see, napakaraming clutter, very messy, and disorganized talaga. Ito, so tingnan nyo lahat nakapatong sa ibabaw. So, una-una, ang gagawin natin, ito tong wall na to, diba? So, sayang yung space, pwede tayong maglagay ng mga shelves. Daligyan ko to ng frame at daligyan natin ng rod, wherein marami na tayong pwedeng maisabit. And yun, nakita ko yan kay Miss 𝑙𝙗𝙧𝙧. So, kita nyo naman itong divider na to is bumigay na. Ilagyan na lang namin ng alalay na tiles, nilagyan ni Han, para hindi siya bumagsak ng todo. And tingnan nyo itong anong nangyari dito, nalaglag na yung tiles. Pakapinturahan na lang namin ito or dikitan ng wallpaper. Tingnan nyo yung cabinet to. Sayang yung space sa taas, diba? Yung gumawa nito, wala man lang another shelves. Diba? Para may mailagay pa kami dun sa taas. Kaya ayan, halo-halo lang. Tapos ganyan din. Wala rin siyang divider, wala rin shelves. Halo-halo na lang siya. And dito sa banda na to, itong ref namin, so napaka-cute. Ito ay, wala nung kinasal kami ni Han, tagal na. So yan pa rin yan, pero ayusin lang natin itong mga ref magnets at yung mga travel ko eh. Itong wall na to, napaka-plain. So, I'm thinking na lagyan ito ng wallpaper. And then hanging plants. So, here's my sketch. Ang una namin ginawa ay tinanggal namin lahat yung laman ng aming kitchen. So, mas madali magtrabaho kapag maluwag. And then, inisa-isa na rin namin yung mga condiments kasi hindi na namin napansin, marami na pala or may mga expired na ng mga condiments na nasa cabinet pa din na nagpapasikip lang. At naglagay na rin kami ng trash bag sa walls to cover it kasi magpipaint kami ng cabinet. And as you can see, nagsusukat na rin ako sa wall at gumagamit ako ng masking tape to mark yung mga spacing na gagawin ko. Okay, so first thing is we need to remove all the cabinet handles and then linisin yung surface ng cabinet, make sure it's clean and sand it. After you sand it, you wipe it again, clean it, and then you can start to paint it. So, nabili lang namin itong mga gamit na to na pang paint sa Wilcon Depot. Let's start rolling! Yan, tapos na yung aming second coat.
Susukat na ako eh.
Pinalis ako. Ganyan ugali niyan eh. Inaayos ko na lang kay tatay itong part na to kasi nalaglag na yung mga tiles. So para mas makinis siya, nilagyan na lang ni tatay ng white na grout. Wait lang, Han. Hindi yan para dyan ang pangit. Ako bad ka pati, ayoko ipakita pa nga. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Tingnan nyo. Ayan na. Excited na akong isabit yung aking mga sandok. Nice. Ganda, ganda. Ay, I'm so happy. Shalala.
This wall skirting border will serve as the frame here. And dahil hindi namin nagustuhan ni Han yung color niya, I decided to paint it gold. Since nakabili naman ako ng Bosni na gold spray paint.
Ayan pa natin. Yay! It's so nice to be happy. Shalala. So ito na nga, bigla nagbago isip ko. Gusto ko ng kulayan ng puti itong kitchen door. So ayan na siya. So pwede naman mangyari yon along the way. May mga changes sa mga plans nyo. So changes for the better. I decided na lagyan ng wallpaper itong tiles sa kitchen to make it look different. Para fresh naman, so I chose this white bricks wallpaper.
And this time, let's organize our groceries. That's why I bought this slim type plastic Durabox. After thinking long and hard, we decided to buy this Panasonic 9 cubic feet refrigerator. So after 6 years, kailangan ng palitan yung aming 5.7 cubic feet na Condura. And actually, naibenta naman namin yon. So, ayan na yung aming new refrigerator.
Prime Fresh. Age Clean. Here is my 6-seater dining table. 3 years old na yan. And we decided to change it or to replace it with a new one, which is yung extendable table na nabili namin sa Landmark for 22,000 pesos. I opt for white color with a combination of light yellow para mas brighten yung look ng kitchen.
Sige yan, fold mo siya. Dining set for 4. Ayun no, napo-fold siyang ganyan. So, mariremove mo yung gitna pala yung nare-remove. And then, to save space, charan! Oh my! Ang galing! Amazing, right? This is 21,999. that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new mga friendship. You can try to do it too. Actually, sobra kami nag-enjoy ni Han. This is the first time we did something like this. Thanks to quarantine at naka-experience kami ng ganitong klase na bonding. Sabi nga, diba, always find the good things in every situation. Bonus pa that we learned new skills like painting cabinets, which I thought is hard, pero madali lang pala. And syempre, we are so happy because our kitchen is now transformed into something new without spending too much for renovation. Again, thank you, and please like this video, comment down below your thoughts. I will really appreciate that, and don't forget to subscribe. Always remember, your life is a gift from God. What you do with it is your gift to God. Thank you, and God bless us all. Bye-bye.